This is something that's very, very key when it comes to being a small creator, because this is an opportunity for you to make money without posting. And this are most cases scenarios in which your follower count doesn't matter. So it's a perfect opportunity for anybody who is passionate about a product or creating content on social media, or just trying to create a side hustle creating content. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Peter Ewu, your favorite marketing guru, author, entrepreneur. And in this video, we're gonna be talking about how you can make money on social media with less than 10,000 followers, not just on Instagram, but on TikTok, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms that you should be on as well. Let's get it. Before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It's definitely essential to push this video in the algorithm. Make sure this video is showing up for not just you, but other people who also are looking to solve this issue and answer this question that you're gonna get the answer to today on this video. And you'll get updates and notifications when I post daily videos on various ways that you can make money online. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So again, in this video, we're gonna be talking about various ways that you can make money on social media, even if you have less than 10,000 followers or you're missing that K by your name. I myself have less than 10K followers on Instagram. However, I get brand deals on a consistent basis, as you can see in these screenshots, to really help prove to you that this is possible and doable regardless of your size on social media. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about 3 main and lucrative ways to make money on social media if you have less than 10K. The first things first is marketplaces. Now, marketplaces are essentially, in most cases, online softwares where brands and creators are matchmaking. You can kind of think about it as Tinder, but for brands and creators. So you can go on these platforms, sign up, and then brands will reach out to you if they're looking for an influencer that you fit the bill for a potential content campaign. So let's go over some marketplaces that I would recommend for creators, whether you're under 10K or you have more than 10K. I would definitely recommend. The first one is Aspire. Aspire is simply a platform where you apply, and once you get approved to the network, brands approach Aspire and look for creators, and if you fit the bill, Aspire will suggest you and notify you to accept a brand opportunity, and then you'll be able to partake in partnerships from there. Another one is Kale, that is Kale, and it's a very unique platform in the sense that this brand pays you to utilize products that are already in your house. So let's use an example of this microphone. If I have bought this microphone already, I'm already using it on a day-to-day basis, I can create content around the microphone and send it to DJI on Kale, and they would pay me based off the content I already created. So this is really good to start if you already have products in your house that you're really passionate about or you're confident enough to speak about, to then share the end result with the brand and hope for compensation after you post the video. This is an amazing way to showcase the brand, the type of content that you can create, what a potential partnership can look like if you all did a long scale partnership, and the quality of your content regardless of how many followers you have. Another one is Collectively. Collectively is very similar to Aspire in the sense that you're able to simply apply once you get into the network. Then when brands look for creators, a part of that creator network which you'll be in will be exposed to the brand. And then if you fit the bill for the brand, you'll be selected to partake in that brand opportunity. Collectively is just simply another platform to add onto your radar. Another one that I would definitely put a star by your list if you're creating a list and taking notes, as you should be in this video, I would put a star beside Cohley. And Cohley is a marketplace, but one thing I like about Cohley is, number one, it has opportunities across various social media platforms as opposed to just Instagram and TikTok. So think Pinterest, YouTube, so on and so forth. And they're really good with matchmaking for UGC platforms. So UGC stands for user generated content, simply meaning that you create content for a brand and you do not have to post it. Okay, now this is something that's very, very key when it comes to being a small creator, because this is an opportunity for you to make money without posting. And this are most cases scenarios in which your follower count doesn't matter. So it's a perfect opportunity for anybody who is passionate about a product or creating content on social media, or just trying to create a side hustle creating content. So I would 100% sign up for Cohley, and this is not a paid or sponsored post. This is something that I've used in my past experience with creators that I work with. And get active on the platform, upload your portfolio, and have brands pay you to post videos that you don't even have to post. And in most cases, brands are using this video for their own social media platform or for paid ads. So sometimes you'll notice an ad by Prize Picks that has Drewski in it and it's not on his page. That's a situation that would be similar to a UGC scenario where the brand will be paying you to create the video and then they will take the marketing of the content piece from there. Now, let's talk about the second approach to making money as a creator with less than 10K followers, and this is affiliate marketing and affiliate commissions. And I know this might sound sound like a broken record or something that you've heard before, but believe, again, especially if you don't have 10K followers, you are transparently limited to the options that you have. However, I do think that affiliate marketing is something that's extremely lucrative. So if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, here's an example to help paint the picture for you. So let's use the example of my brand, which is called Tycoon. We sell marketing services, and you are an upcoming marketing professional, or on a day-to-day, you come across people who can use marketing services, but you don't want to start a company named Tycoon, but you don't mind making a little money on the side, referring people to me who does offer the service. So you would become a Tycoon affiliate, right? And in that situation, you would get 20%, 15%, or whatever percentage we land on for any client that comes to me through your referral. And in most cases, what this looks like in real time is you're working with an Amazon or you're working with a specific product. Most cases, what I would suggest, if you're already using specific products or apps or services, go to their settings or look into an affiliate program if you're already using it, because you can speak to it a bit more organically. For me, every product that I use for my business, products that I use for my personal self, I make sure I have affiliate links, so that way if I am ever talking about it or somebody even asks me about it, I can just send over the affiliate link. So again, if you have under 10K, this approach is something that I would take serious. There's Amazon opportunities that a lot of creators are taking advantage of. There's also TikTok Shop, which is extremely lucrative, where you can promote products. You can even get the products for free and share on your platform with your audience about the product you're using and earn commission that way. Now the third one, saving the best for last, one that I personally use a lot and make a lot of money from, is digital products. Now we're less than 10 minutes into the video and I've been giving a lot of game. So if you're actually picking up everything I'm putting down, make sure you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments 2 to 3 things that you've heard for the first time and or any questions you've had. Now let's get into digital products. So with digital products, this is something that I normally like to say you can create once and sell forever, or essentially is a product that normally lives in a digital space, whether that's your laptop, your Google Drive, a course, an ebook, a checklist, secrets, top tips. Normally this could be a PDF. Again, this could be a course. So most cases, these are things that you create one time and sell forever, and helps you get to that EDP, which stands for everyday pay. Now, the secret to digital products, in my personal opinion, is a few things. Now, the first things first is, if you don't know what digital product to create, I would go to askmeanything.com or ChatGPT and simply look into topics or conversation points that people are really looking to solutions for and are willing to spend money on it, whether that's an ebook or course, a mentorship, whatever that case may be. And what you can do is either create your own course utilizing a platform like Canva that will help you create the graphic design that has a lot of templates that you can select from to get going on what this looks like, or you can get into master reselling rights, which you might also hear as MRR. And essentially what this means is reselling a course and retaining the profits that is primarily generated from someone else. So again, to paint the picture for you, if I created a course about marketing or AI, which I have available, which you can get in the link in the description, and you wanted to resell the course, essentially what you would do is just simply buy the course one time and resell it and retain 100% profits. Now, before you resell anybody's product, I would highly recommend that you go through the product, utilize it yourself, make sure the information is actually valuable, because you don't want to be in a situation where you're selling products and people aren't getting value out of it. So for me, I make sure that before I resell anything, I get familiar with it for a good amount of time, refine it, put it in Canva, edit it, switch some things around, make sure my branding is in it, make sure my perspective is in it, and make sure that there's at least a few things that come from me. A mistake that a lot of people make is simply just taking content that is generated from a third party and just selling it and hoping for a high ROI. Another good tip when it comes to selling digital products from third parties is to bundle it up with things that you actually create. For instance, I sell a digital marketing course that teaches people how to utilize social media to make money from digital marketing. However, not only am I reselling the course by itself, but I'm also reselling it with 2 free calls with me directly, so individuals can engage with me one-on-one. And it comes with my AI course for free, which is a 17-module walkthrough of AI tools to help business owners enhance their productivity. That link is also in the bio if you want to get not only a digital marketing bundle, but also that AI mastery to really equip you with best of both worlds between marketing and AI to change the trajectory of your financial freedom. Now, back to digital products. One thing about creating income from digital products is showing up consistently on social media. I actually have a free masterclass on my YouTube channel that you can go and watch about how I would promote my digital products. But in short summary, ideally what you're going to do is try to post 3 to 5 times a day. Now listen to me, it sounds crazy, but these are gonna be 6 to 7 videos. So if you multiply that times 5, these are really 30-second clips when everything is all said and done. And simply what you're gonna do is use text on screen videos talking about the product, your experience, how it's impacted you. And what you could also do is create one post, save it as a draft. On Instagram, you're able to duplicate the post and then just switch out the video, switch out the audio and the text. And that way you don't have to re-upload, recut the video, and you could just at least start from the phase of it being in the draft. The other aspect of making money when it comes to social media with less than 10K followers is looking into other social media platforms. A lot of people just think about Instagram and TikTok. In the beginning of the video, when I talked about me getting consistent brand deals, a good portion of those brand deals have been from LinkedIn. LinkedIn is essentially a professional Facebook that I use to connect with professionals and like-minded individuals in my industry from a professional standpoint. And the type of content I share is simply things that I learn when I go to conferences, things that I learn in my classes, things that I've learned from a project I just completed, some industry insights or news that I just heard about in my reaction, AI tools that I use, and brands are seeing this and reaching out and compensating me up front. And I literally have 6,500 followers on LinkedIn. Some come from TikTok, some come from Instagram as well, but making sure that you're looking into other platforms like Threads, YouTube, LinkedIn, and not just thinking about Instagram is something that's really going to change the trajectory and the outlook on how you succeed and with everything you're talking about in this video. The thing when it comes to posting consistently is the fact that you don't have to literally make these posts every day. A lot of people don't know that you can simply schedule your post out on Instagram by simply drafting up your post. Right before you press publish, there should be a more options tab that you can click. And when you click that, you should scroll and be able to see the option to schedule your time. You can also schedule content on YouTube. And then there are also third-party platforms if you want to centralize your scheduling into one place to really help you make sure that you're standing out in front of as many people as you can and creating awareness around your digital product. And when you first start posting, you're not going to be getting all the views, all the likes, all the comments that you like. But my advice to that is continue playing the game and don't look at the scoreboard. This is all about building that repetition, creating awareness, getting those leads, getting those initial sales, and then taking those learnings and lessons and refining them and really fine-tuning your experience when it comes to this social media monetization journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, leave a comment and let me know 2 things that you learned today, if this video was informative, if I should keep on making videos like this, any questions that you have that I should answer in another video. And again, the link to my Digital Wealth Academy course along with my AI Mastery is in the link in my bio. That also comes with 2 free Zoom calls directly with me. This opportunity is actually limited, so we'll be taking off those Zoom calls very soon and leaving it up for the first 10 to 15 people. So if you're really interested in taking your digital empire to the next level, I would highly recommend to hit that link in the bio and read the description for the discount that you can use as well to get a nice cut off on our business bundle, which is available, again, link in the description. The last thing I'm going to leave you with is be a doer and not a hearer only. You know my rule: think, plan, execute. Do not get stuck at the plan phase. Be sure to execute on everything we talked about in this video. Go sign up for the platforms that I talked about, which links should be in the description. Go start building pages on other platforms and seeing what sticks. Use your whiteboard, use your sticky note, use your reminders, whatever you need to make sure that you're on top of everything that we talked about from an execution standpoint. I want to make sure that you let me know in the comments that you started to implement, and hope to see you at the top. Peace.